I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. I'm about to lose control, and I think I like it. I'm on the way home to receive delivery of my new EV, electric vehicle, the first car ever in my lifetime that I bought new from a dealer. Can't wait to have this new ride. Good transportation to get around without the constant repairs. We'll check it out here very shortly. We're going to initiate our new vehicle with a little ritual. I don't even know what the ritual is, but we're going to do it. How about you? You feel like doing some blessing for the car?
Sure. Okay, just
Whatever.
like maybe
Doesn't matter.
okay. Well, I'm very grateful. I'm very grateful for this car, and I really appreciate the blessings we've had. And I look forward to the more blessings we have in our lives.
Aho. Gracias a Dios. Came to the doctor, and now they have me hooked up to an EKG machine. Don't know where that's going, but it's kind of a weird feeling. Yeah, I came in today because I haven't been feeling well. Trying to figure out what's going on. See what's going on with my heart. Maybe it's been broken too many times. Hopefully it's still beating. Yeah, I always, when I get a new vehicle or a new used vehicle, I always write down the date, the mileage, and start a record of all the experiences, like through what happens mechanically with the vehicle. So I'm going to continue that ritual today. How do I get it? We just learned how the Bluetooth works. I was at the doctor a few hours ago. They started focusing on my heart, doing heart checkup with the stethoscope. And the doctor asked if I had a heart murmur. Next thing you know, he and another doctor are coming in and saying, "Hey man, you need to get to the ER and get this checked out right now." Foot on the pedal. Shift into reverse. I don't think it's turned on. There we go. Here it is. 2025 Nissan. Let's do this. I am charging my vehicle because it's almost out of juice. And then I'm going to go get my charger checked, see how that battery's running in there. I feel fine, but they said it was super important to not delay It's one of those drop dead kind of situations, worst case scenario. It's my goal. Just enjoy this life. These brushes with mortality. Pause to give you a reflection on the brevity, fragility of life. Like Neal Cassady told Allen Ginsberg, Allen was complaining about something going on in his life. Neal just looked at Allen and said, well, enjoy it. It's here today, gone tomorrow, for better or worse. You should be present, be with it, enjoy this life. Precious human experience, as they like to say, my Buddhist lineage.
Well, I don't know who's running the country, do you?
No, I have no idea who's running the country.
Well, then
That's the whole point. Nobody knows who's running the country anymore. Well,
just enjoy it.
God.